Hello, and welcome to CabEstimator How-Tos. Today, we will be going over the production schedule. As you may remember, you set the initial project schedule when you started an estimate, and now we are going to take a closer look. Here, we have the schedule card from the estimate page. Remember, you can either apply the suggested days based on the actual job hours required, or you can edit them down below. Now, let's take a look at the actual schedule page, where you can adjust the date at the top to display the 3 weeks that it covers. On the left, you will see the jobs with the client's names and their color coding. On the right, you will see blocked out days of what is coming up. At the top, there is a color legend showing the colors for design, production, finishing, and installation. You can adjust or quick edit the job just by clicking on it. You can change the start date, the production days, its general status, and then you click Save and Close, and the job adjusts in real time.
The production schedule gives you a good overview of what's going on in your shop. And if you combine that with the heat map on the dashboard, it should help you identify problems and keep things running smoothly.
Thanks for using CabEstimator. That's it for this one. Take care.